So you've searched our website and found packaging that seems suitable for your application, and you've submitted a request for more information and a quote. Your request will be assigned to one of our team members, an expert in packaging. They'll double-check your request and ensure you're headed in the right direction. You'll receive a prompt email from your dedicated expert IP team member containing their name and direct contact information. Soon you will receive a follow-up call to discuss what you've submitted and possibly fine-tune your packaging requirements. This call is an excellent opportunity to talk about lead time and quantities. Please ask all questions you may have. We're here to help make sure the final product is exactly what you need and for you to feel secure that you've come to the right company. We appreciate this opportunity to work with you. In most cases, quoting can be done immediately over the phone. Larger quantities or custom packaging mandates that a detailed quote is sent to you. Your request and time are paramount, and our goal is to have the quote to you as quickly as possible. Look over and review your quote carefully. Ask questions if you have any. If everything looks good and you're ready to take the next step, so are we. In the case of a custom-made product, you'll be sent over a detailed proof. This is what your product will look like. If something doesn't look right or you simply have a question, contact us. We'll correct it, modify it, change it, or even start over if it doesn't meet your expectations. Once everything looks in order, send the signed proof back, and then the production process begins. All that's left to do is sit back, relax, and wait for the product to arrive because International Plastics has it handled.